We are going to take our equation and draw a graph. Before we were looking at a graph and writing an equation. Now we're doing the opposite. So step one, when you do that, is to make sure that you're in y equals mx plus b, and to also make sure that you have a slope that's a fraction. So it just says negative x, so I'm going to make that a negative 1 over 1, because we know that's what that means. All right, so let's get our graphing on. We always start here with the b on the y-axis. So I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put a dot. All right. Sorry, my dog's running through the house. And now I need to, it's going to be a negative slope, so I rise 1 and go to the left 1. Some people like to go down and to the right. Either way, it gets you the right point. Let's look at our next one. The first thing we need to do is make it into a fraction, so we're just going to put it over 1. And then we need to do our b. This one is a negative 1, so I'm going to put my first dot right here on negative 1. Okay, it's a negative slope, so I'm going to rise and go to the left. I rise 3 from my dot, 1, 2, 3, over 1. If you prefer, you can go down 3 and to the right 1. There we go. All right, let's do this next one. It's already a fraction, so my b is a 2. I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to rise 2, 1, 2. It's a positive, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive, positive. All right. So let's look at the next two. It's already a fraction. Positive 3. Okay. I'm going to rise 1, and because it's negative, I'm going to go backwards. Or if you prefer, you can go down and to the right, whichever one works best in your mind. All right, let's do this next one. 6. Ooh, we got to make it a fraction too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Youch. Okay, so I've ran out of graph. So we know that two negatives make it positive. So I'm going to make everybody negative. So 1, 2, 1. There we go. That one was tough. Sorry. Let's do this next one. Negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already have a fraction. He's going to be negative, so I like to rise 3 and run backwards 2. We're going to do one more. I got a problem. Well, let's make that a fraction. I have no b, so let's make it a plus 0. I got another problem is my graph's not on the page. So dot at 0. All right, now rise 1, 2, 3, 4, run negative 1. There you go. So I need you to do these with me, and when you're done with that, I need you to turn to this next page. This is probably like your third page in the packet. I need you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Remember that you're going to need a plus 0 on that one. All right, do the notes I did and these 6, and you're done. Thank you.